So I dug my Shure SM58 out of storage, as you can see there. And when I dug it out, I realized that I had a connection problem because when I plugged in, it didn't work. So I started digging around here to find out what was going on. And it turns out that one of these cables here you can see here, has come detached. So it looks like it's the ground cable. Anyway, we're going to fix that, and so I can have a working Shure SM58. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, first thing we need to do is we need to tin our new wires. You can see we just cleaned them all up. So we need to tin them first. Hopefully we got enough. Get this guy out of the way. And hopefully this little iron gets hot enough. Sometimes these little... See, it doesn't... Come on. That's one. I mean, I could break out a bigger iron, but not for this work. You don't want a 100-watt iron barreling down on these little braided copper wires. Just destroy them, you know? Here we are. There's another one. And that one's already tinned from the manufacturer. But we'll do a little more here. A little bit more right there as well. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. Come on. All right. There we go. I'm going to start with the yellow first. Get this guy's out of the way. The reason why I have not wait. All right. Next, we're going to go with this guy right here. Oops. Don't melt my house down. Come on. Sometimes, this might be better anyway. That way you get a better view of what's going on here. Get this hot. Got to get the stem hot of the jack itself. And we can work this guy down. Wow, this is awkward. It's really hot. Looks like it's a little shallow on the solder side. There we go. That's it. All right, it's two down. You can see right there. I'm going to come around with the ground, which is that guy right there. And then we'll do a mic check. Okay. I don't know how this happened. Probably just got pulled on inside of a box. It's been stored away a long time. And, you know, shit happens. That looks like it needs a little more solder down in that crevice. So let's do it. Right there's good. Beat that up there really nice. Molting, blow. Alright, I think I got it. Sorry, I got it down. Let's have a look here. So, yellow. Okay, so you have the slot and this has to come together just like that, you see? But what size screw am I going to need? Oh, probably not much. And so, one more piece here. Come on. All right, you see that? Keep pulling. All right, there, that looks more normal. See that? Now, this black thing will come down here and tighten that up. Then we put our screw in. That just makes more sense. Wow, like I said, you don't have to tell me 3 times. There you are. Hopefully, I got the configuration right on the wires. The yellow I know is correct because I actually just connected that one myself. So yeah, you got XLR port right there, and that is a complete microphone. So yeah, what do you say we take this over for a sound check? Let's do it. Let's say we move this chair out of the way and turn our mics down and make sure this is a dynamic microphone. So you want that phantom power off. You see the phantom power there, 48? Because I don't think this will handle the 48 volts. But hello, 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 check, check, hello. Let's see, what do we? Oh, you should be here. Hello. See, I may have had that wrong. My configuration is wrong. Hello. Oh no, there it is. You gotta turn it all the way up. There we go. Hey, looks like my configuration was right. Hey, you know what? Even a blind squirrel will find a nut sometimes. So yeah, glad to have that back. The reason why I pulled out the SM58 is because this is less likely to pick up noise from the back. Not to say it won't, but as you can see, it's less likely than a condenser mic to pick up noise. It almost wants you to focus right in the front of the microphone. So yeah. So that's fixed. Quick fix, and just getting my little studio ready here. So yeah. Thanks for coming along, folks. Howlin' Wolf out.